Coffeemaker extracts 20% more flavor. It all starts with a premium boiling system that delivers the precise temperature required to brew the perfect cup. You can personalize the strength and flavor of your coffee and program brewing to begin whenever you want. The Fresh Brew timer keeps coffee warm for up to 4 hours, while the hot plate is non-stick, non-scorching, and easy to clean. Calphalon appliances.
The Zojirushi Zutto Coffee Maker is a stylish and truly compact 5-cup coffee maker, full of thoughtful features that make it versatile and simple to use. Designed with convenience in mind, the water tank is removable and easy to fill, with clear water measure lines for hot or iced coffee. And to make coffee taste its best, a replaceable charcoal filter, which lasts up to 2 years under normal use, purifies the water for improved flavor. The uniquely designed cone-shaped filter basket sits directly inside the glass carafe. To make a pot of hot coffee, line the filter basket with a paper filter. Using the included measuring spoon, fill the filter with the desired amount of coffee and secure the cone basket lid. Fill the water tank with water to the level line that corresponds to the number of cups of coffee you'll be brewing. In this case, we are brewing 5 cups of coffee. Place the water tank in the machine and replace the lid. Then turn the switch on. One-button operation makes brewing coffee the most effortless step in your busy morning routine. The Zutto Coffee Maker brews coffee quickly, and the automatic Keep Warm plate keeps the coffee in the glass carafe warm. To make iced coffee, follow the same procedure for hot coffee, using the scale for ice on the water tank, which adjusts the water-to-coffee ratio for a stronger brew. Fill your drinking glass to 80% full with ice cubes. Then pour over it with the hot coffee. Coffee is instantly chilled, resulting in bright, great-tasting iced coffee that isn't watered down. As with all of our products, the Zutto Coffee Maker is easy to clean. The removable water tank and glass carafe set are hand-washable. To keep the coffee maker running like new, descale periodically with citric acid cleaner. Sleek, compact, and versatile, the Zojirushi Zutto Coffee Maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen or office. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
For more than 50 years, Technivorm has successfully combined the best innovations of modern product development and design to bring the real taste of coffee to millions of people worldwide via their Moccamaster coffee brewers. Providing the perfect cup comes from the design of our brewers that meet strict guidelines set forth by the ECBC and SCA Gold Cup brewing standards for the 4 T's. Temperature. Moccamaster's copper boiling element brews between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and holds the brewed coffee between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit via an independent hot plate element. Time. A full carafe brews in 4 to 6 minutes with the correct saturation time. Turbulence. This brew process creates a perfect coffee bloom and even extraction. And total dissolved solids, or TDS. Solubles between 18% and 22% in every cup. Quality in craftsmanship is also important, which is why every Moccamaster coffee brewer carries a 5-year warranty and is handmade in the heart of the Netherlands using only quality European parts that ensures longevity of your brewer and are cleanable, repairable, recyclable, sustainable, and plastics are BPA, BPS, BPF, and phthalate-free. Moccamaster coffee brewers are timeless in design and will grace your home with elegance that's matched only by its quality.